Good morning. So we've been up since 6 and it's what, about 9 now? And we've been watching all sorts of videos about how to do rafters and scarf joints for the ridge board. And we've been working out all sorts of calculations that we probably have no business in trying to work out, like hypotenuse things and stuff at 8 in the morning, just like you would on a Saturday. We're just doing some test roof rafter cuts, and then we're going to test them on the ground and then eventually get them up here. Dan, do you want to show them like a pro how you worked out? We're doing a 5 and 12.
So we take our common measure, so this is 5 and 12 or 22.5 degrees, which I've realised is this measure, and then that gives us our plumb cut for the top of the rafter where the rafter joins a ridge beam. So yeah, this should be the top of the rafter, which should join another one, so that you end up with a pitched roof.
My video's on point today, just so you know. It's not. We've definitely not stopped 3 times, watched more YouTube videos, done several other cuts, rearranged that wood a whole ton of times. Definitely not the situation.
So we finally figured it out. We were just out by a few, like 3 centimetres, and we double checked the maths. What we hadn't accounted for, this Birdsmouth cut, which is where it sits on the wall, and that's just 3 centimetres that tweaks the angle, lowers it, and that was the difference that we were out, and I'm much more confident with it now.
So Dan's just finishing off the last bit. You want to show them your saw? So who thinks we should get Dan a new saw? I think maybe it's about time. Oh no! Okay. So it
Like the video if you think I should get a new saw.
Oh no. Okay, so yeah, we did the roof rafters there and they fit together perfectly, finally. But the next step we need to do is Dan needs to learn how to do a scarf joint, which is a type of joint that we want to use to try to connect the ridge board, which is going to go across this 8-meter span. And so it has to be quite a strong joint, and wall ties first. All the things. Then we'll come out and just do the rest of the shed. And something that now that we have power we can do is charge our batteries and turn that light on. That light's pretty amazing. Who did that?
So this is our attempt at a scarf joint, which is a joint used to extend a piece of wood that you want to use for something like a ridge beam in a roof. And now we're going to see if I've done a good job. Should probably do this on the floor. No.
It's not gonna fit. You just need to angle it. Angle it your side down a bit more, a bit lower. And then push it a bit. Oh yeah, okay, it just needs to... So this one just needs to be widened a little bit, like a millimeter, just on this bit here. Do you want me to mark that? Just this guy. Can I tell them what we're doing?
We are testing the completed scarf joint with the weight of a wife.
I'm gonna walk across it. I'm using Dan for support because I'm clumsy and I'll fall off. And then if it doesn't break, we're gonna use it on our newborn. So I think that's pretty good. We come back the other way.
And bear in mind, it will also have rafters clamped to it. Oh, come on now.
What?
The roof isn't going to do that.
It might when I'm up on the roof. I think it's really good. I think you should be very proud of yourself. And I think it's very good. So we've installed these weird little things at the top of our shed. See one in the distance there, and one here. And what they are is that's our king post truss. I'm in the sun now, so you probably can't see anything. So I'll go show you this one. That's our king post truss. Nope, that's not how you describe it. It's just the king post bit. Anyways, that's what the ridge board will sit on. And we've done a little bit on either side to hold the ridge board in place while we get it on top. And so Dan's just uncovering it now. And we're gonna lift it up and put it into place and then start putting the rafters on. And that will start securing the ridge board in place. Also, we designed a new game, didn't we?
We did.
What was it called? Stone ball. So, because they kind of look like goalposts. So I'll show you how good I am. Dan unfortunately is underneath the goalpost, so maybe he wants to move.
Probably the safest place to be.
Thanks so much. Right, so Dan's in the way. I'll wait till he moves. You probably should move, because if I get you in the face, I'll feel bad. All right, and you have to try to get it in between. So I'm holding the phone. To be fair, it's that's why I'm missing.
Oh, that's probably your closest yet.
That wasn't bad. All right, do you have a stone? All right, this is Dan's go. That's quite a big stone to try to get in that. Okay, give it a go. Don't hit me in the head. Pretty close, but you know, a loss is a loss. So, all right, we're gonna try to get this raised up and make sure it doesn't bow in the middle so that we're happy that we don't need a middle support temporarily. And then we're gonna attempt to put it up there. All right. Oh, I backed it.
Seen a problem.
What?
Yeah.
Oh no! So the mistake we made is trying to build this. So now we have 2.5 up on this side, and we have 3 pairs of rafters up on this side. And that last one is by far our best one. So I'm really happy that we're at least going in that direction. Because this last guy, you can kind of see where he meets the top plate on the previous ones. There's a bit of a gap and a bit of a gap. And then this guy is perfect. He's snug right in there, and so is the other guy, and I'm not even lying to you, so I'm willing to prove it. See, the most recent guy, right here, absolutely perfect, whereas the other guys could have done with a bit better. We were still learning, but really happy with that. There's our 3 rafters for that side. We're gonna go get some food, and then we'll carry on the rest of the ridgeboard there. I think there's another 15 pairs to go. Morning. So, Saturday morning, 8:45. Day 2 rafters. I'm so tired. We're gonna start up our little production line again. We're gonna cut 3 pairs of rafters, and then we're gonna get them up. And we're just gonna keep going until we can't make any more rafters today.